The year is 2025, and the job market is changing faster than ever. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool. It's replacing jobs, reshaping industries, and creating entirely new career paths. But are we prepared for what's coming? Experts predict that by 2025, AI could replace nearly 30% of traditional jobs, from customer service to financial analysis. Industries that once relied on human expertise are now being transformed by automation, machine learning, and AI-driven decision-making. Take the finance sector, for example. AI can now process complex financial data, detect fraud, and even make stock market predictions faster than any human. In customer service, chatbots and virtual assistants are handling millions of interactions daily, making human representatives less essential. And it's not just white-collar jobs. The rise of self-driving vehicles is set to disrupt transportation, while robotic automation in warehouses is reducing the need for human labor. So what does this mean for the average worker? Are we on the verge of a job crisis? Or is this an opportunity for something greater? Let's explore which jobs are at risk and which new careers AI is creating. AI isn't just automating repetitive tasks, it's taking over roles that were once considered uniquely human. By 2025, entire job sectors could be transformed. Take retail and customer service. AI-driven checkout systems and automated warehouses mean fewer cashiers and store employees. In the medical field, AI can now diagnose diseases faster than human doctors, making routine checkups more reliant on technology. Even creative jobs aren't safe. AI-generated art, music, and content writing are proving that automation can be just as innovative as humans. Imagine waking up one day to find your job is no longer needed. This is the reality for millions as AI advances. But here's the twist. Not all jobs will disappear. Some will evolve, and new ones will emerge. So which careers will thrive in the AI-driven future? Let's dive into the high-demand jobs that will shape 2025 and beyond. If AI is replacing so many jobs, what careers will be in high demand? The answer lies in fields that work with AI, rather than against it. By 2025, the most valuable skills will be those that machines can't fully replicate. Jobs like AI ethics consultants, AI prompt engineers, and human-AI interaction specialists will be crucial in shaping responsible technology use. Cybersecurity experts will be in high demand as AI-driven threats increase. Meanwhile, data analysts and AI trainers will be needed to refine machine learning models. Healthcare is another evolving field. While AI can diagnose diseases, it still needs human doctors to make ethical decisions and provide compassionate care. The rise of AI doesn't mean the end of work. It means a shift. The key to job security in 2025 is adaptation. But how can you prepare for this shift? Let's explore the essential skills you need to stay ahead. The future belongs to those who adapt. If you want to thrive in the AI-driven job market, you need to master 3 essential skills. First, digital literacy. Understanding AI, automation, and data analytics is no longer optional. The more comfortable you are with technology, the more valuable you'll be in any industry. Second, emotional intelligence. AI can handle numbers, but it can't replace human empathy, leadership, and critical thinking. Soft skills will become the defining factor between those who succeed and those who don't. Third, continuous learning. The job market of 2025 will be ever-changing. The most successful professionals will be those who constantly upgrade their skills, whether through online courses, AI certifications, or hands-on experience. So, will AI take your job? Maybe. But if you embrace change, learn new skills, and position yourself as someone who can work alongside AI, you won't just survive, you'll thrive. What do you think? Are you ready for the future? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more insights into the future of AI.